ocean waves, we're waking up again. The promise written in our souls, a fire that never ends. You called the saints and pilgrims once to rise and cross the sea. Now call us back to faith and love and all you meant us to be. We've been running, chasing shadows in the night, but the dawn is breaking, we can see your light. America, rise in the light, lift your hands, lift your eyes. We were born for truth and grace, heaven's hope across the skies. From sea to sea your love remains, our future is in your name. America, rise in the light, rise again in grace.
Teach us truth that speaks with grace when hearts and worlds collide. Give steady love for every soul, your breath in every life.
No power, fame, or painted crown can take the place of you. Our strength is found in mercy's sound, in justice, faith, and truth. Every heartbeat is a prayer that won't divide. Every voice together, we were made to shine. America, rise in the light, lift your hands, lift your eyes. We were born for truth and grace, heaven's hope across the skies. From shore to space, your name we raise, our anthem born of faith. America, rise in the light, rise again in grace. Rise again in grace. Let every home be holy ground, let every heart be true. Engrave your love on who we are, let all we are be you. Your spirit moves, we're standing tall, your glory on our face. One nation under God again, alive in mercy's America, rise in the light, lift your hands, lift your eyes. You have carried us through night, now your dawn fills the skies. From sea to sea, from heart to heart, your promise leads the way. America, rise in the light, forever in your grace.
One nation under God, be glorified both day and night, restored, unafraid, united in your light.